Okay, real quick video today. I wasn't going to make a video on this to start with, but I thought someone else might have the same issue and it might be helpful, because I bet if you go to BMW main dealer for this, it'll probably cost you an arm and a leg. So, this is the driver's seat from my F31 3 Series, which is down there. It's a heated seat, and the problem is the heated seat. So it's kind of working intermittently. Sometimes it'll work for 5 minutes, sometimes it'll work for the whole journey. Sometimes it won't even turn on at all. Sometimes it'll turn on for 2 seconds, and this is the problem. So this electrical connector I've just taken out of there, you just push the tab down and pull it out, and then this is our problem. So you can see the wire there where it's kind of all messed up. It's basically loose and it's not even soldered in properly. I've actually had this problem before. This is the second time this has happened, and I basically covered it in solder and shoved it back into the connector, and it's been fine for best part of a year. But it's happened again, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to sort of solder that back in. I think this is actually a sort of push pin type connection, so if I can get that old pin out, put a new pin on this and push it in, then that will be a permanent OEM fix. And if you don't know how to take the seat out of the car, stick around till the end of the video, because I'll kind of explain when I put the seat back in. Well, I've pretty much destroyed this bloody connector, but that was on there like that, and you can see these two little bits here. So I stuck a pick in to undo them, because I thought that would be how you get the pins out. So I broke that bit off, and then I stuck some pliers in there to try and pull the pin out, and I pulled it out that far, but that looks like it's also broken there. So hopefully I'll be able to, I'm going to try and solder the wire onto there now, because I don't have one of these pins, and push it back in and see what happens. Right, after ages of messing around, I have managed to solder the wire back onto the pin. Couldn't find these pins anywhere online to buy. Some look like they were the right stuff, but most of them don't have pictures of the end there, so I wasn't sure if it would be the right thing, but I managed to solder it on there anyway, and I managed to get the pin out of there. You just kind of use a pick. I'll show you now. So if we put it back in there, then you can't pull it out, so I just kind of used a pick to press on that bit there, and then if you press on there and push, it kind of comes out. Oh great, I knew that'd happen. So yeah, it's come off again. Brilliant. Right, so once you've wrestled the seat back in, you can just about get it into position, and it's dead easy. There's just 2 bolts at the back and 2 at the front. It was hard to do with 2 hands, but I think that little nub goes in there. Slide the seat all the way back, and you can get to the front bolts. Put this back. And don't forget to put back the electrical connector. Make sure that's to the front. And there you go. Right then, moment of truth. Oh, well, hey, we've done it, I think. Anyway, we'll see how long this one lasts. Well, there you go, nice quick video fixing the heated seat. Hopefully that's going to help you if you're having a similar sort of problem. Now, the next video on that car is going to be a rear wheel bearing, and I need to replace all the shocks all around. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, do all that stuff, because there's going to be more videos coming on that car, and if anything else breaks on it, I'm going to be trying to fix it myself as well. So just keep an eye out on the channel for those sort of videos. And I've also got loads of videos on this. This is a 330i Touring, an E46 with a manual gearbox, hard to find nowadays, but I've done loads of work on this as well. Check out those videos and subscribe to the channel.